only one that's enjoying the weather. Why?
The others are just kind of huddled off there. Oh, there's one in the
bush.
Yeah.
Oh, hi. You're up. I was wondering why you'd be in there.
Okay, you can dive now. Dive, dive, dive.
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 No. Dive.
Dive.
You're already wet.
Splash.
Come on, buddy.
What's your training word? What's it?
Sick 'em, boy. Get the water. No, no, wrong way. Wait, where are you going? Hey, that's not towards the water.
When you walk.
He is pretty funny.
Oh, you're so cute.
Lifeguard pink one?
There's one. Is that the same one? Yes, it's the same one.
Oh, is this going to be a synchronized dive?
Dive.
Come on, buddy. You can do it. Do it.
Hi.
Hello.
Dive. Oh.
I didn't know they could jump.
Isn't that cute?
Yeah, that was pretty funny. Oh, slide, slide. I don't care if it's on purpose or not.
Oh, that would be cool.
If he slowed down on accident. You're not exactly providing me with, compelling film here. I think we hurt his feelings.
Slide.
Slide.
Slide. Oh. Dive. Oh, he's going to dive.
No, he's going up on the other one. He's walking over to see his buddy. Oh, no, no, no. I like how he's just floating there.
Yeah.
Do you think he's gonna get up?